Example 3, what is the volume of carbon dioxide CO2 released when 10 grams of calcium carbonate CaCO3 reacts with excess dilute hydrochloric acid HCl at room condition? Okay, let's read this slowly again. They want the volume of CO2 when you have CaCO3 react with excess dilute hydrochloric acid. So what we do is we will write the equation here, CaCO3 plus HCl. Okay, so you're going to get CO2 and H2O. I want you to find out about this. Acid plus carbonate is, look here, if there's a C here, there's definitely CO2 here. I mean, there's a CO3 here, so it's CO2 here. This is my way of remembering things. H, if there's a H, there must be a H2O here. And then what lies here is actually CaCl. Okay? Combination of salt. You can witness this by looking at Ca and Cl itself. Of course, CaCl is supposed to be CaCl2. CaCl2. Okay, so there's a 2Cl, so I put a 2 here. And then there's a 2H, there's a 2H, CO2, and also CO3, so it's balanced equation. Okay, so this balanced equation, we want to find out the volume of carbon dioxide release. Okay, look at this one, the volume of carbon dioxide release. What other information is given? Is it 10 gram? Yes. 10 gram of calcium carbonate. Always start with the mass, because from mass we can get the information through calculation. By the way, the acid is excess. So how do we find the mole? The mole is 10 divided by CaCO3. Ca itself is 40, CO3, C is 12, O3, O is 16, so 48. So your calculation will tell you that this is 10 divided by 100. 10 divided by 100 is 0.1, isn't it? 0.1 mole. Okay, so now we compare the mole ratio. So here, let's use a black pen. Here is a ratio of 1, and here is ratio of 1. So what we do is, if this is 0.1 mole, I'm sure that this is 0.1 mole. Okay, so with this in mind, then we can do the calculation quite easily. Okay, so the volume is actually, going back to the page just now, we have 0.1 mole here, CaCO3. So CO2 would have 0.1 mole also, according to the balance equation. So this is a room condition. They want room condition. So what we can say about this is 24 times 0.1. So you get 2.4 dm cubed of CO2.